Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing about locations in Google Ads. So let's get started. Location targeting lets you select specific locations where you want your ad to be shown. Okay, so we are on the locations option in our Google Ads. We can see there are three options here. Okay, so first option is we can target our location as all countries and territories wise. We can target location as our country, and we can enter another location. Okay, so we can target location as according to country, city, region, or postal code. For example, I am entering a location here called Texas. So we can see the Texas option is visible here, and you can see three options here, like we can either target or exclude or nearby. So if I click on target option, then what it will do actually, it will target the Texas state. That means our ads will only be shown on Texas state. Okay. So if I put Texas again and click on exclude option, then what it will happen? Actually, it will exclude the Texas city. That means our ads will not be shown on Texas city. Okay. So if I enter Texas here again and try to select on nearby option, then what will happen actually? It will try to target the nearby locations of Texas, like it is showing Colorado, Louisiana, Kansas, Oklahoma here. Okay, so if you want to target those locations, you can target them as per your requirements. For me, I am happy with targeting Texas. Okay, now I will click on advanced search option. So here we can see couple of targeting options here, like we can target as a location wise, radius wise, add location in bulk wise. So if I click on location and try to enter a location called Florida, then I can target exclude or nearby location as I just shown in the previous section. Okay, so if I click on radius option and try to enter Florida, and I'm clicking on target option, and what it will do actually, it will target 20-mile radius around Florida. Okay, so I can edit it, like if I want to give 30 mile here, we have two options, mile and kilometers. So if I give 30 mile here, then it will target 30-mile radius around Florida. So if I give kilometer wise, then it will target 30-kilometer radius around Florida. Okay, and we can do it according to pin mode. Okay, so if I click on pin mode and select any specific area like this one, then what will happen actually, it will target 20-mile radius around Lakeland. Okay, so I can either select mile or kilometer here, like I'm selecting here kilometer and saving it. So what it will do, it will target 20-kilometer radius around Lakeland using pin mode. Okay, so let's see add location in bulk. Add location means if you want to run your ads all over USA, or you want to target 200, 300, or maybe more cities or postal codes, then you can input the locations here as a bulk option. Okay, so for example, I have collected some postal code, and I'm trying to enter them here, and I'll click on search button. Then I can either target all of them or I can exclude all of them. So I will click on target all and I'll save it. Then we can see all of the postal codes are being targeted here. Okay. And the next option is the locations option. How we can target them. So we can target them in three ways actually. First option is presence or interest. People in regularly in or who have shown interest in your targeted location. That means if you run your ads on Florida, but people from New York City, those people has interest on your ads, then they can see your ads. So this is the first option. The second option is presence, people in or regularly in your targeted location. That means if you are targeting only Florida, then the people of Florida will only be able to show your ads. The third option is search interest, people searching for your targeted locations. Let's get to know what is search interest actually. This option lets you show your ads to anyone searching on Google for your targeted location. If a person doesn't specify a location in their search, then the system users the location where a user is likely to be located for targeting. Okay. Then there is an option called exclude. We can exclude location in two ways. First option is presence, people in your excluded location. This is recommended by Google. And the second option is presence or interest, people in regularly in or who have shown interest in your targeted location. So in exclude section, you can select this option, but if you want an opinion from an expert like me, then I will definitely suggest you to choose the second option called presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. So yeah, hopefully you have a clear understanding on location settings in Google Ads. So that's it for this video. If you like our video, you can uh, subscribe our channel, you can like our page. Yeah, that's it for this video. You have a good day. Bye bye.